Hello and welcome. In this tutorial shows 3 ways to insert tables in Microsoft Word. Today's tutorial show 3 ways in insert tables in Microsoft Word, so you can choose the method that is most appropriate for your content. First, we are going to create a table from the table menu. This method works well for general use. Next, we are going to create a table from the table dialog box. This method offers the most sizing option. Then we are going to insert a quick table. This method offers the fastest setup. Note that you can also draw a custom table and create a table by importing a spreadsheet from Excel. We will cover those advanced topics in separate tutorials. At the end of this tutorial, we will quickly walk through 5 steps for working with tables, like how to delete a table, how to resize an entire table, and how to resize individual rows and columns, and how to add rows and columns, and how to add color to table. To begin, place your cursor where you want to insert the table, then select the insert tab in ribbon, followed by table in tables group. Now move your pointer across down the grid to select the number of cells organized as rows and columns needed in your table, like this. So I'm gonna select like few of them, and if I write as L, then name, then class, and can be I can write. Then click the select part of grid, press enter your keyboard, insert the table. Now we'll look at the table dialog box method, which provide advanced sizing options. So before I do that, so what I'm gonna do, I just take out this thing with the delete option and delete table, and go to again the insert bar. In table drawer, here you can see the drawer table, and here is the one message like design your own table by drawing. Here is the insert. When I click in the insert table, you can see the number of columns, number of rows. So how many columns do you need and how many rows do you need, you can write here and use for your work. So I'm gonna select for column, like if I say 4, and rows if I say 30. Let's see how it looks like. Then select auto fit behavior, fix column weight. So here you can specific weight up 22 inches using the increment arrows, like here you can use, or you can use auto, and also you can use auto fit to content, and also you can use auto fit to windows, whatever you want. Auto fit to content adjust cell size to the content, and auto fit to windows adjust the width of the table to size of the viewer's words windows or browser window. If you want to create the same size table in the future, remember dimensions for new tables and select the OK button to close the insert table dialog box and insert your new table. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Here we can find and you can use our new table with our data. Then we will go the next one. So before I do that, I'll delete it and use the delete and delete tab. So I'll go again in the insert in the table groups. Here you can see the draw table. It's mean quick table or calendar. You can modify for your own uses. To begin, like place your cursor where you want to insert, same as here, and use here by drop down, and here you can just draw down here like this, and wherever you want, as you want, how many columns or how many row you want. So you can just draw it and use like this. Okay, so what can you do? You can also erase here the table erase. Just click on it and select the one, so it will erase. Same way you can erase or wherever you as you like. Okay, so now is done. So what can we do? Just I select it and delete. I want to delete it again here. Then we'll go to the ribbon, and in the insert here you can see, and followed by the quick table. So you can see here and use the anyone which one you like. So I'm using the one. So you can use from there and choose the table you want from the gallery, and then you add your own content by typing over or deleting the table's example text. Like here, if I say something, so I can just edit it. The following tips cover this basis of working with the tables. We will dive in this topic in much greater details in separate tutorial. To delete our table, so what can we do? I just do like this. So like table, I just select on the top here, you can see, and click on it, select and delete the table. So it's gone here. Same as, and another table you can do like here, this table. If I want to delete it, just click and right button mouse and delete table, or also you can use this one or this one, whichever you like. Just I click this and it will gone. Okay, then we'll do the entire table. So what can we do? Just same as before, I here, and what can I do? Just if I want to the new column, so click here, and there is another option, insert. In the insert there is option insert column to left, insert column to right, and insert rows above, insert rows below, and insert cells. So I'm gonna insert it right, so I click on the right in here, so it will come up, you can see. Then again you can do in the row, just select one of them, or you can just select it and right button and insert. And if I say below, so it will come up the below, same as the right and same as the below. Okay, note that you have to hover your point over the table, reveal the table selector, then right click the table and select the delete also. You can just do, what can I do? Delete it, right button and delete column. Same thing I can do, right and delete the cell. You can set here left here. To resize, so what can I do? Just click on the table in top here and handle the bottom right of the table. So you may need to have hover your pointer over the table here, you can use. And if you want, then drag the table to size you want to release the handle. To resize an individual row or column, hover your point over a border, like if I until your pointer becomes two lines with two arrows, then you can move it. So where do you want, and also do same as the below, so wherever you want. So I'm gonna do undo it here, we can do. And like now I'm gonna show you how can you design it, or how can you color it. So let's see. To add color, select the table first, which looks like cross arrow, to select the entrance table, then select the table design. To tap in the ribbons, you can select and you can choose of one of them, and here you can choose from the more, and here whatever you like the color, or like if I choose the one, so you can see. And you can do, just click on it, you can do also the more modify table style. You can also modify the table style whatever you want, like header rows a different color, you can modify it and you can do it. You just press the OK. And also you can do, there's option, you can do design it and go to here, and also new table style you can do as you want, so how you want. So you just choose the color and you can color the table. Okay, in this tutorial we learned the few topics and few tricks, how to insert and how to delete and how to design it. So feel free to leave me comments if there are specific topics related to Microsoft Word that you would like me to talk about in the future. And please subscribe to my channel and give this video and thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.